Sharing with Pip and Momo. A Pip's Good Manners story. In the sunny meadow, Pip found a big red ball. Bouncy, bouncy, what fun! But Momo wanted the ball too. Two friends, just one ball. Oh dear. Tugging isn't much fun, is it? So Momo had a happy idea. "Let's take turns," said Momo. "Your turn, then my turn. We can share." Your turn, my turn, say it with me. Your turn, my turn, we can share. Your turn, my turn, we can share. One more time. One for you and one for me. Let's count to 10 while we share. One for you and one for me. Sharing makes us happy. Whee! Now, sharing was the best game of all. Two happy friends taking turns. Pip even offered the ball first. Your turn first, Momo. Sharing makes everyone happy. One ball, two friends. What do? We share. Good manners feel good.